Good morning, welcome back to the farm. I've already done my chores. You see me feed these. My morning chores. This door has come off, so first order of business this morning is to try to fix this thing. We'll screw that out. It looks like I only put, well, it looks like I put 3 in it. It would be easier with another person, wouldn't it? Oh yeah, it's a lot better. About to tighten this thing up. This thing's getting loose here. See how far it is away. Oh yeah, I like it. Oh, wow, they're so upset. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. I'll come back down here and with my angle grinder and grind the little tips off. That's what I did on the other one. You know what I should have done? Put a block over that. Oh well, I could still do that. All right, let's see what time it is. Got to take Allison to the doctor today, this morning. So I got about 25 minutes. So let's go water the mums real quick. So we got some. You can see we got some beautiful mums coming up. They've done really good. There's a couple of them that's kind of stunted. I don't know why, but for the most part, this is our, mums that go by daylight. So we already sold the first ones like late September. These are mid-October, so they're starting to come on. So we sold every one of the other ones, over 200. There's 170 here left, so pots. And we started out with 438. I know 3's died. Let's see, I got 1, 2. There's more that's died. 3 there more that's died, so that's 6. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 that are stunted. So out of 438, we had 9 that either died or not doing good. So that's really pretty good considering we're extreme amateurs on this. So, but we do have some beautiful ones. So You're watching this on Wednesday. I'm filming it on Tuesday, so I'm gonna got a little project gonna do here when I get back from the doctor on this one, on this wagon, and we'll start selling mums Thursday. I'll be glad to get all this done because I'm tired of watering and fertilizing and all that stuff. So hopefully another week, and this little project will be over. I think we're gonna pick a few pumpkins today too. So we picked some the other day. I don't remember if I filmed that or not. Kind of all runs together. We actually, well, last night my darn piggies got out. My new piggies got out. I can't remember what I was doing down here, but I was down here with a John Deere doing something. And I was going back towards the house, and I went past the barn, and I seen something out of the corner of my eye, black. I thought, what is that, a cat or something? Or I didn't know what it was, a dog? Looked over, it's my pigs following me on the tractor. So I shut it down and got off, and they followed me back in there. I had to put them back in that little cage. They're really too big for that. I mean, it's okay, but I can't keep them, so I can't keep them in there long. So got to address that today. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do yet, so I'll think about it while she's at the doctor. So anyway, my piggies got out last night. So I went back about 10 or 11 or 10:30 or something. Walked back down there and check on them, and tie wrapped their door closed where they couldn't, that door where they couldn't get open. But they was all colored, they was all spooning each other. And if I'd had my camera, it'd been a good picture. But anyway. I was actually gone from the farm last week. We went on a little vacation, and we left Sunday, got back on late Thursday, went to the sale, got ready for the sale Friday, the farmer's market, last one that we're going to. I think this Saturday's the last ones, but this is the last one we're going to. We really don't have much. It was really slow anyway, and so we went there Thursday, and then we got those pigs. You seen that video on Monday. But anyway, believe it or not, the girls took care of the farm, and everything was good. So I guess I trained them right. I guess them doing chores when they was little paid off, so we can leave for a little while. It's good to get away, I guess. I didn't think about much, but of course, you know, Allison worries about everything, so she's worried about that. I didn't think about that much. I was glad to get away and rest my mind. I'm ready to go. Got a bunch of big projects coming up. Not big, but several. All right, let's see what time it is. I gotta go change my clothes, get some nice, decent clothes on, and take her to the doctor. Hopefully it don't take that long. I think today is Tuesday. We're going to Taco Tuesday today, she said. That's my reward for taking her to the doctor. So it's just something, it's her mental doctor. No, I'm just kidding. So she's got some kind of foot pain, and it's got a name for it. I can't remember off the top of my head what it's called, but she's been doing a lot better. They gave her some kind of medicine, and she's doing exercises. So she should be back ready to come back to work. She's been laid up for a couple months, so we gotta get her back out here working. You know, can't lay around the house all the time. All right. I'm gonna go change, and we'll be back, and we'll tackle this little project, and we'll talk about it when we get back. So I got kind of a little bit of a rain delay. It came a little sprinkle right when I was getting ready to start this, so it's kind of later in the day than this morning. But I got her took to the doctor. We ate some good tacos. It's Taco Tuesday, and they're $2. Oh man, it was exceptional today. But anyway, so I'm gonna put some waterproofing wood stain on my farm wagon here that we rebuilt the other day, and kind of took some heat from the ladies. They said, what color did you get? I says, I don't know. It was a markdown reduced for $9 for this whole gallon. Some kind of bluish, slatish, grayish color. I don't really care, but they're upset about it. I don't know why. It don't really matter to me too much what color it is. I just want it waterproof because this is not treated. And if you watched the video, you know I had these left over. Somebody gave them to me. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and paint this, put this on here, and we're gonna see what color exactly it is. And like I said, it's, you know, at Home Depot I had the mist-tinted paints and all that, so I was lucky enough to find this, and I think it's about a $50 a gallon uh, for this if I got real. And I mean, got it mixed the color we wanted. I would have liked to have maybe a brown, you know, something like that. But anyway, I don't really care. All right, so I'm gonna get set up. We're gonna get started, and we'll see how it looks. Got about got at least 2 coats on it right now. You can see it's starting to dry. It dries a lot darker than this blue color. Kind of it's kind of like a slate color, I guess. Anyway, I'm gonna let this dry, and we'll come back and look at it here in a few minutes. And I mean, to me, it looks all right. I mean, as long as it's waterproof, and we'll see what color it is when it dries. So we'll come back in about 45 minutes, and we'll see what it looks like. dry, and actually I kind of like the color, and it's kind of a blue gray or something, or slate gray or slate blue. But I brought the boss down there, and she don't hate it, so she says I need to paint the inside of this, which I wasn't going to do because I don't think it needs it, but she's.
It needs it, doesn't it? Tell him it needs it.
It don't need it.
To make it look finished, it needs it.
I don't know. It's she said she's going to do that with a paintbrush. Well, so
yeah, I'll do that.
So we'll see. But I think I got 3 coats on it right now. I might put another coat on it. Well, I don't know if we'll have time. Depends on what the weather is tomorrow. I might put another coat on it. But you know, the main thing is, like I said, to waterproof it. I'm tickled with it. So I'll load this thing up with mums tomorrow.
Here's a nice one. Oh wow, it's really nice, isn't it?
Yep. Pretty, isn't it? There's quite a few that's starting to turn.
Yeah. There. It's a little green. There's, oh, is that the one that's got the,
That is right.
Yeah, it was a nice one too.
It's a pretty one.
It is. Look at that one right there. It's shriveled up, but look at it.
This is a really nice one.
It is really nice. Oh, that one's got a spot on it.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
All right, so we got about, what, 6 tonight?
1, 2, 3, 5, I think.
5 tonight. We still got maybe, I don't know, 10 more maybe.
I don't know. I don't know if we got that many. There's one right there turning, a little one. Look up here and see. It's green, but a little.
Yeah, they look good.
It's not good. Oh, shucks. What about, and you said you're waiting on that one right there?
Yeah, I'm gonna wait.
Here's one right here. It's got green. Oh, yeah, it's got green on the back. I can see it.
Oh.
Oh, man.
Yeah, that'd be good for you put on the porch.
Where to cut that one?
Scabbed off.
Or to cut the, make a jack-o'-lantern from it, cut that part. Another big green one. Hasn't started turning yet. I think there was another one over through there.
I bet we got 10 more.
Maybe.
I mean, it's, in the large scheme of things, that's not a whole lot.
That's what we got. That one there. Probably could carve out, but
Pretty on that side.
yeah.
All right, so we had a pretty good day today. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give us a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Support your local farmer and your local little doggy. Support him too. We'll see you down there at the farm next video.